안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today we'll make tteokkkochi. Tteokkkochi is a popular Korean street food style dish.
The rice cakes are pan-fried and mixed with sweet, tangy and spicy sauce. Then you can skewer as many rice cakes as you want.
Let's see how easily we can imitate the delicious Korean street food at home.
Unless you're using freshly made soft rice cakes, you'll get frozen ones like this. They're dry and hard, so soak them in water for about 30 minutes to separate and defrost. It has been 30 minutes. Make sure they're separated. Then take the rice cakes from water and wipe off the moisture with paper towel. Let's make a sauce. In a small bowl, add ketchup, gochujang Korean chili paste, and we want to add a little bit of Korean chili flakes, gochugaru, and this is honey. I want to add some water to thin out the sauce. Mix it. And we're going to toss the rice cakes with the sauce. So you want to make kind of ketchup consistency. Now, let's stir fry the rice cakes. Add enough oil to the pan and heat it over medium heat. Add the rice cakes to the pan and pan fry them until the surface of the rice cakes get bubbly and crisp. These rice cakes tend to stick each other, so watch out. It'll get hard if you overcook them, so check by poking the rice cakes with a fork or skewer. The outside should be crispy and the inside soft. Place the rice cakes in a bigger bowl and coat the sauce over the rice cakes and toss them.
The rice cake is pan-fried and then tossed in a gochujang ketchup sauce. Tteokkochi literally means rice cake skewers. Typically, the rice cakes are skewered, then pan-fried, and then glazed in a sauce. Today, I simplify the process. So just pan-fry and then toss in a gochujang sauce. And then you can skewer by yourself, just like that. Let me taste one bite. It's crispy outside. I love the chewy, sort of sticky and soft inside. The contrast is wonderful. So good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.